The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A discovery was made that a solar flare is headed towards our planet. It will cause a geomagnetic storm across our planet. This solar flare will reach Earth within about 3 days, but these estimates could change at any time. Once the flare reaches Earth's magnetic field, it will cause a geomagnetic storm of cataclysmic and destructive proportions. This event could wipe out electricity grids as well as most modern technology for weeks, months, or in the worst-case scenario, years.
A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas. City of St. Louis, Missouri. At 1 a.m. on May 5, 2023, effective until 5:30 a.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Riots are currently ongoing in the city of St. Louis. Do not participate in these riots, or you will be arrested.
Breaking news. Hijackings were reported all across North America. These hijackings stated that the solar flare will kill those who go outside and that they will release extremely hot heat waves across.
Guys, do you guys believe what is going on? Yes, the solar flare is going to strike our planet. Oh no, we must inform the government about this.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or his representative, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. An emergency action notification has been issued for your local area.
The following message has been given me authorization to transmit this message on all stations at the request of myself, the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and an unknown security organization. Effective as of 9 p.m. time. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The global emergency has now been declared across this planet. Reports have come in that many people burn off their skins when going outside, and also in other areas of the United States, temperatures have been going up as high as 130 degrees, or as high as 250 degrees, or 400 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our planet. It's coming soon. Say your goodbyes.
Subscribe for the Bobucks location. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, if you like it, subscribe. You'll find Bobucks.